Alright guys, look. I've never seen Canadian geese fly before. Oh my lord, right on my head. Look at this. I love it. Wow. This is amazing. I don't know what prompted this. It's really called the Canada goose. You're not supposed to say Canadian because they're not all from Canada. Wow. Isn't that on point, folks? Woo! I pulled my car over because I saw the geese up there, and I don't know what prompted them to fly over. It's just amazing. All right, we're signing off live. It's Karen Lawrence. Have a great day.